speak on spirituality. The temple of the Most High begin with the human body, which also alive, the sense of our existence. Africans are in bondage today because they approach spirituality through religion, provided by foreign invaders and conquerors. We must stop confusing religion and spirituality. Religion is a set of rulers, regulation and ritual created by humans, which were supposed to help people grow spiritually. Due to human imperfection, religion has become corrupt, political, divisive, and a tool for a power struggle. Spirituality is not theology or ideology. It is simply a way of life, pure and original, as was given by the Most High Emperor Haile Selassie. Spirituality is a network linking us to the Most High, the universe, and each other as the existence of our existence. It embodies our culture and true identity, nationhood, and destiny. A people without a nation, they can really call their own. It's a people without a soul. Africa is our nation, and it's in spiritual and physical bondage because our leaders are turning to outside force for a solution to African problems. When everything Africa needs is within earth, when Africa righteous people come together, the world will come together. This is our divine destiny. Jeremiah Kunamari, Haile Selassie, Rastafari.